So my dear friends, this year 2020 has actually shown us one lesson. What is the lesson? That you need some part-time income. Because this year there was a big lockdown and I have seen that many people has lost their jobs. Now what if they had some part-time income? They could survive in these tough times. So guys, you need a part-time income when you do not need that income. You need to develop a part-time income when you do not need that income. In that case, whenever you actually need the money, you can actually generate extra income from your part-time profession. So in this video, I'll show you how you can actually generate a steady part-time income by stock trading. I have already discussed these kind of things previous also. So if you have not seen those videos, I'll give you the link of those videos in the video description. And you can also generate a serious part-time income just by studying two indicators. And this is possible. So just study these two indicators and you can seriously generate a part-time income. So let me show you what are those two indicators that can generate a steady part-time income for you, and you can also create a separate business apart from your jobs, your regular business. You can create a separate business that will support in tough times. So friends, let me get over to those two indicators. Now friends, what are these two indicators? I have already shown you. One indicator is one and only RSI and the other indicator is moving average. So just by combining these two indicators, you can create a killer setup. You can create a killer setup that will work on end of day basis. And you can create your own trading system, your own trading setup. Just you need to give 15 minutes a day to find a stock that will shoot up from the next morning itself. So this strategy requires 2-3 days holding. Sometimes the holding is even more. So it can be 6-7 days, 1 week, half weeks. So you will get the entry and you will get the exit. These two indicators will show you where to enter and where to exit. I have already discussed in my previous video on this particular subject, part-time income, and I have seen that many of you guys has liked that video, and I have thought that once again I'll repeat the same topic so that you can seriously make a part-time income for you. So guys, in this video description I have given the list of the page, the link of the page, or rather the pages, 3 pages where you will find those setups. The setup is very simple. Just you need to find a stock that is trading way above its 200-day moving average in the daily charts. So plain and simple, the stock should be above its 200-day moving average. So whenever the stock is trading above its 200-day moving average, we can say that the stock is in bull phase. So we need to filter those stocks only who are into bull phase. Now, where to buy those stocks? I know that this stock is in bull phase, so I need to wait for a dip patiently. And whenever the stock will take a dip, we will enter. Now, where the dip will come? The dip will come in the RSI indicator, and we will use my proprietary, actually this indicator, this 2-period RSI has been developed by Larry Connors. So I have taken Larry Connors method and I have tested it seriously, and I have seen that this method actually yields profit. So you need to take a 2-period RSI over and above that 200-day moving average. So the stock is trading way above its 200-day moving average. It is in bull phase, and whenever the 2-period RSI comes below 10, or rather below 5, you need to enter that stock. The strategy is plain and simple. Just today, after the market, you are checking the charts. I am repeating that I will give you the list of the pages where you will get the charts. You will get the charts of that particular stocks with their 200-day moving average and the 2-period RSI. So you need to just enter those stocks who are trading above 200-day moving average, way above 200-day moving average, and whenever their 2-period RSI comes below 10 or 5. Just you need to check that. Suppose in the night or in the late evening you are checking the charts, you are finding that this particular stock has met the criteria, it is trading way above its 200-day moving average and it has taken a dip in the 2-period RSI. Plain and simple, next morning buy that stock. Whatever price that stock opens, if it opens too high, just wait for an intraday dip and then buy the stock, or if it opens down, it is even better, you enter the stock and wait for an exit patiently. What is the exit method? Once again, I have discussed in my previous videos. You can exit in two ways. Just exit when the stock closes above its 5-day moving average. So that is one exit. The other exit is you can exit when the 2-period RSI crosses above 70. So plain and simple, once again in the evening, in the late evening or in the night, you are checking the charts. Suppose you are long in a particular stock and you are seeing that this particular stock has closed above its 5-day moving average or its 2-period RSI has crossed above 70. Plain and simple. Next morning, exit the long position of that stock. So you are doing it part-time. You are just coming from your job or your business. You are checking the charts in the night and you are finding the stocks to buy. Next morning you are buying it. And there is no stop loss. You are just waiting for an exit. The exit criteria is also defined. If the stock crosses above its 5-day moving average and closes there, it's one exit, or another exit criteria is if the 2-period RSI crosses above 70 mark. So entry is simple and exit is even simpler. So there is no target, nothing to follow, not to follow the market whole day. Simply you come back from your job or your business and check the charts in the night. And I'll also give you the list of the stocks. I'll give you the list of the Nifty 50 stocks, the Junior Nifty stocks and the Mid Cap 50 stocks in a particular page. So in the video description you will find those links and you can simply in the night you can check the charts of those stocks and next morning you can buy them. Whenever once again you are getting an exit from that particular stocks, you need to exit that long position. So this is very simple. You just trade end of day basis. So most of the brokers do not even charge a brokerage for your swing trades. So this is a positional trade. This is not an intraday trade. So do not comment that whether this setup can be used for intraday also. So this setup is not for intraday because I have seen that in intraday basis this thing does not work. So this is only for positional trading. For positional traders, you can simply use this strategy and you can make a hell lot of money. I have seen that this strategy, even in cash market, this strategy gives 40% return year on year. So if you have a 10 lakhs capital, you can safely earn a 4 lakhs return every year. I have shown a back test in my previous videos, so I will be giving you the link of the previous videos in the video description. So from there you can check the previous video on the same subject. So friends, I feel this strategy, you can also follow this strategy and you can also develop a serious part-time income on your regular income. And this income you need to generate when you do not need the income. So when you are actually, you will need the income, when you will need some extra money, you are already having a side business. So that side business can help you out in your tough times. So guys, there is other ways to generate income from the stock market, that is following someone's tips or something like that. But better if you can create your own strategies, if you can stick to your own strategies rather than following someone else's tips. It is better that you can have the full control on yourself. You do not need to rely on someone else. So guys, I feel that this strategy can generate some serious part-time income from the stock market for you. And if you like this strategy, do not forget to hit the like button in the video. And those who are not yet subscribed to me in YouTube, do hit the subscribe button and also do hit the bell icon, because I do come up with these kind of videos twice a week. So if you are subscribed to me, you will get my next video updates instantly. So friends, if this video can generate a serious part-time income for you, do not forget to send a comment in the video comments. So guys, I'll be meeting you once again in my next video. Till then, bye bye.